Bitcoin, as we all know, is the biggest cryptocurrency right now with market cap over $500 billion, which was over $1 trillion in 2021. And this is why it is right now the talk of the town. Bitcoin price is continuously decreasing on a monthly basis. And in this video, we're going to discuss all the latest news around Bitcoin as crypto news does matter. After that, we'll discuss some technical analysis before finally winding it up with Bitcoin's future price prediction. And if you want to know about all of these, then do stick to the video until the end. But before we get into the details, let me again welcome you guys to another video on my channel, Crypto Money Talk. Do remember that anything in this video is not my financial advice, but this is just for education and information. So without any further delay, let's begin with the news that cryptocurrency mining firm Argo Blockchain is continuing to sell its Bitcoin holdings to cut its debt to Michael Novogratz's crypto investment firm, Galaxy Digital. According to the company's Friday announcement, Argo sold an additional 887 Bitcoin in July to pay down obligations under a loan agreement backed by Bitcoin with Galaxy Digital. The sales, which totaled $20.1 million at an average BTC price of $22,670, represented a sizable chunk of the $50 million maximum outstanding loan balance in Q2 2022. Right now, the announcement states that as of Argo's July 31st, 2022 statement, there was only $6.72 million remaining on the BTC-backed loan. The most recent transaction was made shortly after Argo sold another 637 BTC for $15.6 million in June 2022. According to the company's report, Argo still owed $22 million on the loan as of June 30th. Now that you guys are probably wondering, why are we highlighting this news and why Argo is so crucial? Let us explain that Argo Blockchain firm, which is focused on cryptocurrency mining, is a public company listed on NASDAQ and the London Stock Exchange. And Argo is one of many Bitcoin mining companies, like Bitfarms, Core Scientific, and Riot Blockchain, that decided to sell self-mined Bitcoins during the bear market of 2022. After this somewhat unfavorable news, we now have some good news. Coinbase and BlackRock have teamed up to increase institutional investors' access to cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin. Because BlackRock is one of the largest asset management companies in the world, this partnership is important. Major BlackRock clients who use the Aladdin investment management platform will be able to connect directly to Coinbase Prime, which offers trading and custodial services, to gain direct access to cryptocurrency. Although other digital assets might be made available in the future, Bitcoin will be made initially available. And this is extremely good news because some Bitcoiners firmly believe that growing institutional adoption will increase demand for BTC and drive up prices. And now, after making this major news clear, let's talk about the latest technical analysis. But before we express that, make sure to understand we are not financial advisors, as all of these statistics are just for informational purposes. Thus, after encountering sellers close to the $23,570 level, the price of Bitcoin started a new decline. After the price broke through the $23,000 support era, the bearish momentum increased. Even the $22,800 mark and the 100-hourly simple moving average were breached. A spike finally occurred below the $22,650 mark. Although there were a few negatives, the price only dropped as low as $22,400. Price began a new wave of recovery above the $22,800 resistance level. Bitcoin passed through the 23.6% fib retractment level of the decline from the swing high of $23,570 to the low of $22,400. On the hourly chart of the BTC and USD pair, a break above the short-term bearish trend line with resistance near $22,850 also occurred. Additionally, the price is currently hovering near the $23,000 mark and the 100-hourly simple moving average. The $23,000 mark and the 100-hourly SMA are providing resistance for the price of Bitcoin on the upside. Bitcoin may continue to fall if it cannot firmly break through the $23,000 resistance zone and the 100-hourly SMA at this time. Near the $22,800 mark, there is the immediate support on the downside. Near $22,400, the next important support is currently located. A close below $22,400 could signal the beginning of a move down to 22,000. Any additional losses could push the price up to $21,200. And this was all about the technical analysis. And now comes the time you've all been waiting, which is Bitcoin's price prediction. It's very difficult to predict Bitcoin's or any crypto's price action because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. But still, let's see what experts have to say about it. Talking about the history of Bitcoin's price actions since Bitcoin was created in 2009, it will undoubtedly take some time to discuss its price development and movement since that time. Like any other cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's price has experienced significant fluctuations since that time. We monitored the movement of the Bitcoin price in 2021 to determine the level of volatility. Additionally, according to Coinmarketcap, the price of Bitcoin increased by 559% on January 9th, 2021, compared to the same day the previous year. Bitcoin reached its price record in 2020, less than a month in 2021. On January 7th, 2021, the price of BTC surged to US $40,000. After that, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of US $60,000 in mid-April 2021. Due to Coinbase's decision to go public on April 14th, 2021, there was a significant increase. Unfortunately, the price of Bitcoin fell by 50% throughout the summer of 2021, reaching its lowest point on July 19th at $29,000 per unit. A few months later, in September 2021, BTC briefly recovered to $52,693. A significant withdrawal occurred about 2 weeks later, which caused the price to drop once more to $4,709. The price of Bitcoin is still falling right now. Bitcoin's price will remain at $42,664 in 2022, predicts tech news leader. Digital Coin Price forecast that Bitcoin would end this year at $43,011 at the time. According to another Bitcoin price prediction from Crypto Price Predictions, at the end of this year, the price of Bitcoin may reach about $37,450. And finally, according to Crypto News's Bitcoin's BTC price, by the end of 2022 would exceed $70,000 and stay steady at that level. So let's see what comes next, as that's the end of the video for today, with all about Bitcoin predictions. Now, we hope that all this information was useful to you, since we did our best to explain everything. If you enjoyed the video or learned something from it, press the like button, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.